So, today we will learn about the Indian system and international system of numeration. Okay. So, here I have written both Indian system and international system. In this part I will show you the Indian system, and in this part I will show you the international system. Okay. Now you see, as shown earlier, the place value chart of Indian system. The place value chart of Indian system, how it is? Ones, thousand, lakhs, crores. Yes or no? In ones place, it is, the place values are ones, tens, hundred. In ones period. In thousand period, the place values are thousand, 10,000. In lakhs period, the place values are lakhs, 10 lakhs. And in crore periods, the place values are crore and 10 crore. Okay? You know this earlier. Now, how you will write the number names? For your convenience, I have written the numbers. In crore period, what are there? 25. The number is 25. In lakhs period, 62. 2 digits are there. In thousands period, 85. 2 digits are there. And in ones period, 3 digits are there. 274. You can see in the Indian system, in ones period, there are 3 digits. And in thousands period, there are 2 digits. Lakhs also 2 digits. Crores also 2 digits are there. Okay? And according to the number of digits in this different periods, we give the what? We give the commas. Yes or no? Like this, marking the periods with commas. Can you see? 25 crore, 62 lakh, 85,274. Now how you will write the number name? As written there, 25 crore, 62 lakhs, 85,274. So this is all about Indian system. Now, how you will write in international system? Pay attention here. International system. How you will write? What is the difference between Indian system and international system? Okay. Now, this is the place value chart of international system. Okay. You see, in ones period, there is ones, tens, hundred, same like Indian system. In thousands period, there are 3 place values. But in Indian system, only 2 place values, no? In international system, in thousands period, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. 3 digits will be there. Pay attention here. And after that, after 1,000, what comes? Millions. Yes. Millions, million, 10 million, 100 million. So, what happens in international system? The place values are 3 digits in each period. In each period, ones, thousand, million, 3 digits will be there. But in Indian system, what happens? In ones period, 3 digits, and other periods there are 2 digits. Okay. The place values changes. The period changes. Here ones, thousand, lakhs, crore, and in international system, ones, thousand, millions. And there is greater period also, that is billion, but that is not required in class 5. In higher classes, you will learn about billions. Now you see, again I am telling, in ones period, how many digit? 3 digit. Ones, tens, 100. In thousands period, 3 digit. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. And in millions period, 3 digit. Million, 10 million, 100 million. Now, you have to mark the periods with commas. So, here you see millions period, 3 digit. Thousands period, 3 digit. Ones period, 3 digit. So, in international system, we have to give the comma by 3 digits, no? See, 256, 285, 274. Means this is millions place, this is thousands place, and this is ones place. Okay. In Indian system, first 3 digit, then 2, no? 2 digits. But in international system, it will be three digits. The comma, you will mark the period after three digits. Okay. Now, the number name. How you will write the number name in international system? See, it is very easy. You just have to remember the periods. Okay. Now you see, in millions period, what is the number? 256. Yes. In millions period, what is the number? 256. So, how you will write? 256. And then you have to write the period also. In which period 256 is there? In millions place. Yes or no? So, you will write 256 million. Then 285 in thousands place. 285,000. Then in ones place, what is the number? 274. 274. So, this is the number name. Means, simply you have to write 256. Then you have to write the period name. Million. 285. You have to write the period after that. Thousands period. Means in thousands period, 285 number is there. Then last one in ones period, 274. Okay. So this is the difference between Indian system and international system. Now see, I have taken one example. So this number, what we will do? We will mark in international system. We will mark the period in international system. And also, we will write the number name in international system. Now, what happens in international system? First three digit, it is in ones place. So, here we will put one comma. Then again, next three digit, it is in thousands place. So, here we will put one comma. And this three digits is in millions place. Pause. So now, how you will write the number name in international system? So in international system, you see 356, it is in millions place. So 356 million. We have to write the period name, okay? Then 289. In which place? 1000. 289,000. Then 125. 125. So this is the number name in international system.